So basically this land is for sale. It used to be an old abandoned industrial facility. There's a bunch of cool old manufacturing sites. But I just heard someone's car door close. I don't know if that's the realtor or the owner or what's going on. I haven't heard anything else, so I'm gonna go check it out. Looks like a ghost town over there. Alright, there's a big truck over that way. So I'm gonna try and go around the back and see if I can avoid that. Alright, we've come around the back. There's a big silo that I'm gonna try and get on top of in a minute. It's a beautiful wheelbarrow next to a destroyed factory. Silo's right there, I'm right here. Let's see if I can get on top. It's so rusted out and overgrown. It looks so cool. I wonder when the last time this place was used was. Had to be at least 10 to 15 years. It's an old oxygen tank. The hose looks so rotted and so rusted, including the nozzle. Alright, that should give me a nice overlook of the area. I can see if there's actually anyone here. Not that way. It's an old sawdust mill. Maybe that's what this place was. A sawmill. There's the way up. God, that's blinding. There's sawdust everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to that building right now. Alright, back down the silo. That way. It's a beautiful old forklift. Look at this thing. Probably 1950s, 1960s. Clark. The wind makes it so noisy. So at the beginning when I said I heard a car door close, it was probably just the wind blowing these metal shutters shut. They're so loud. Look at how the sun hits this tree. Plants growing up the building, trees growing on top. It's such an atmosphere. Alright, here's the building I'm trying to get to. It looks like I can just walk in. This could be a door right here. No, that's just a window. Yeah, this is definitely the main manufacturing facility. You can hear the metal panels clanging, they're so loud. There's the culprit, right there. Here's another old forklift. Oh, the keys in the ignition too. Doesn't work. That doesn't look like Coca-Cola. It looks like he's got little offices here too. Notice how they only have one restroom here. Surely because they only have guys working. Oh, it reeks. That reeks. Everything here reeks of asbestos, so I'm going to try and stay out of the rooms. Oh, I see. This land is being used as a storage facility. Like people are storing their cranes here for, I guess, a tree service. There's a truck. I think there's someone here right now. So I'm going to go this way and explore the buildings over here. I'm pretty sure this site has security. So I'm going to try and stay around the back where all the abandoned buildings are, instead of getting tangled up with them at the front. Shut up, man. This thing looks military. The color, the shape, everything. There's no plates either. Yeah, but this is military. Even the wheels are green. Oh, is that a jet ski? No way. Yeah, I've got my jet ski and I'm cooking on my grill in the nice morning sun. Oh yeah. Who would just leave a jet ski here? This thing looks pristine, apart from the dust. And drawing the pollen. There's the engine. It's a Nelson brand. That's a great brand name. Nelson. There's forklifts everywhere here. I guess I had to do a lot of lifting, whatever this place was. I'm sure it's a lumber yard. There's so many sawmill type stuff. Alright, there's one more abandoned building I want to check out. Then I gotta make it out of this place without security noticing. Let's head over there. Check this out. It's a school bus with bullet holes in the back. Bullet scarred school bus. Now that's something you don't see every day. Oh man, look at those cars. Those look like old Pontiacs or something. That's an American muscle car right there. I'm gonna see if I can get closer to check it out, but I wouldn't be surprised if cars of that caliber have some security or some type of camera system. Oh man. Check that out, it's an old Buick. I don't know what model, but this thing is rad, man. Actually, my bad, it's a Bic. Look at that thing, man. How badass is that? Somebody needs to come and fix these up. This could be absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah. Damn, look at the rims on that thing. This thing is a pimp car, man. Check it out. It's got all sorts of spare parts inside. Locked. Check out this truck over here. Kenworth. Something else. But this one, just the shape, the form of it is so industrial, so crudely based on power. It's open too. I like to imagine those are bullet holes on the windshield, but I bet they're just rocks. Alright, let's go find that last abandoned building and get the fuck out of here. This place is so much fun, I love it. Bye bye truck. This building here looks like it was bombed. What the fuck happened here? That's a Hummer H3, I think. This thing's custom built for a zombie apocalypse. Armor plated, 0.001 miles to the gallon. This thing will get you there, but for the cost of probably $1 million or more, I guess. But it's such a tank. Look at this thing. And what we got here? Mercedes-Benz. It's like a car graveyard. They used to make such cool looking cars. Or maybe it's only cool looking now because of time that's passed. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh yeah, it's being overtaken by the weeds. Such a cool car though. Mercedes-Benz, man. Another old American muscle car. A bombed out shell. Pontiac Thunderbird. Alright, I gotta see how to get out of this place now. I mean, I love it. I love these little pockets of just abandoned, it's just like an abandoned wonderland. It's Disneyland for me. It's so cool to see all this stuff left behind. It's a little look into the past. Hopefully the spot doesn't get redeveloped, but I know it will. But no matter. I'll just find another one. I gotta head through these woods and I'll be out in the clear. Let's go. How the morning sun hits everything is so beautiful. And I think I'll end it on that. It was a fun adventure. I evaded security. I found some nice old cars. And I'm out free, motherfucker. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one.